Good morning, students. Welcome to computer class. In this video, I would like to teach another model in conditional control statements. This is the third class, another model that is switch statement. Shall we start our class? In the last videos, I taught 12 programs. This is the 30th program. Children, note down. Write a program to check whether the given character is vowel or consonant using switch statement. Here we are going to check the given character is vowel or consonant using the switch statement. That is, if we give A, E, I, O, U, any of these five characters, we have to print vowel. Otherwise, we have to print consonant. The variable description for this program is, in this program we are taking only one character as input, that is ch. The data type is char and the description is to store the given character. Shall we go to the program? Now the program is hash include stdio.h. Here we are including the header file stdio.h to run the functions printf and scanf. Next one is hash include conio.h. Here we are including this header file to run the functions getch and clr Next one is void main open braces char ch clr function printf enter any character. We are scanning the character here. Here the type conversion is percentage %c ampersand ch. Ch is the character variable, that's why we have written here ch. Switch off ch. If we take a character from the users, we have to give it as the expression for the switch statements. Here we are giving the character. If this character is equal to the first case label, that is A, it prints vowel. Next, break. Now come to the, if the given character is not equal to A, then the compiler goes to case 2, that is E. The label is E. If we entered E, it prints vowel. Next one, break. Otherwise, if we give I, it prints vowel. Again, break. If this is also false, the compiler go to the next case, that is O. The case label is O. Here we are taking the case labels as characters. That's why we have to include them in a single quotations. Next one, if the given character is O, it prints vowel. Next, break. And the next case is U. If the given character is U, it prints vowel. Next, break. If these are all not false, means if we entered except these A, E, I, O, U, the compiler just go to the default statement, that is printf consonant and get ch. Close the program. Now I would like to give you two outputs, that is ch is equal to I. If the end users entered I, the compiler just prints vowel. If we entered X, the compiler just prints consonant. Now, now I am teaching a very important model which carries 15 marks in the 10th standard. That's why children, put your mind to understand. Okay, this is a very important model. Now come to the 14th program, program number 14. And the question is, write a menu driven program to calculate area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, and area of length, sorry, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Enter C to calculate area of circle, S to calculate area of square, and R to calculate area of rectangle. Now I would like to give you some explanation. Here, driven programs means we have to write as a menu. Enter C to calculate area, enter S to calculate square, and enter R to calculate the rectangle. Like that, we have to mm, give the information for the end users. Then we will write these formulas in the each case. Here we have three area to find out. That's why we have to write three cases. Now explanation is C to calculate the area of circle. మనం ఒక కేస్ లేబుల్కి సి అని ఇస్తే ఆ సి అనేది ఆ కేసు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ వి గివ్ ఎస్, ద కేస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది ఏరియా ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్. ఇఫ్ వి గివ్ ఆర్, దట్ కేస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్. Now come to the variable description. In this program we are using 6 variables. The first one is A. A is a float type data to store the area. Next one, R is a float type data to store the radius of a circle. Next one, S is a float type of data to store the side of a square. L is the float type of data to store the length of a rectangle. B is a float type data to store the breadth of a rectangle. CH is a character to store a character. This is the variable description for this program. We are going to use these all variables in the program. Now come to the program. Hash include stdao.h. We are including this header file to run the functions printf and scanf. Hash include conio.h. We are including these header files to run the functions clr, scr, and getch function. Void main. This is the main method to start every program. Open braces. Char ch. Here the compiler allocates the memory for the variables which is under data type. Float a r s l b. Next one, clr scr. Printf, enter new line character. C, area of circle. S, area of square. And R, area of rectangle. Means enter C to calculate the area of circle, and S to calculate the area of square, and R to calculate the area of rectangle. We are providing like this. Now the end users enter any of these characters C, S, R. Then we are reading that character in the variable ch, that is ampersand ch. Now we are going to write the switch statement, that is switch ch. The first case is C to calculate the area of circle. That's why we are writing case C. The label is C. Now printf enter radius of a circle. In the case only we are taking the input for every calculation, not in the out of the switch statement. In the switch statement only we are taking the inputs. Enter radius of a circle. Here we are reading the radius of a circle and we are calculating. In this formula we need pi value. That's why I have initialized pi is equal to 3.14. Now the area of circle A is equal to pi into r, r square, no, pi r square. That's why I have written here pi into r. Next I am printing this area. Area of circle is equal to percentage f, means the A is a float type data. That's why I have written here percentage f. After this one, break. For each case we have to encounter break after case. Next one, case S. The label of this case is S. S for area of square. That's why here we are going to take the side of a square as input. Enter side of a square. Scanf percentage f, because here S is a float type data. That's why I have written here percentage f ampersand s. Now area of square is equal to s into s, that is s square. That's why I have written here s into s. Now I am going to print the area of square, that is equal to percentage f a. Again break. Next case is case R. In the case R, we are going to calculate the area of rectangle. That's why we are going to take the length and breadth of a rectangle as input. Enter length and breadth of a rectangle. Now scanf percentage f. Here we are taking two variables as inputs. That's why I have written here percentage f, comma, ampersand L, comma, ampersand B. I have taken these two variables as input. Now I am going to calculate the area of rectangle. That is equal to A is equal to L into B. Now I am printing the area of rectangle. That is equal to area of rectangle is equal to percentage F A. Here I am printing the area of rectangle. Again break. If these three cases are, suppose the end user did not enter any of these three letters, the compiler just come to the default case, that is printf invalid option. Closed braces, get ch, again closed braces for the main method. This is the menu driven programs. This is a very important model children. Put your mind and write neatly. Now come to the 15th program, that is write a program using switch case to find the volume of a cube, a sphere and a cuboid. For an incorrect choice, an appropriate error message should be displayed. Volume of a cube is equal to S into S. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi into R into R. Volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Children, you have to remember all these formulas also. In the examination, they are not going to give these formulas. In the textbook only they are giving the formulas. That's why children remember these formulas also. How to write? When you saw this program, you have to analyze how we will write. Here we have three formulas. That's why we have to write three cases in the switch statement. In the first case, we are going to calculate the volume of a cube and using this formula S into S into S. Here we have 3s. మూడు 3sలు ఉన్నాయి కదా అని 3 టైమ్స్ మనం ఎస్ని ఇన్పుట్గా తీసుకోకూడదు. ఒక్కసారి మనం ఎస్ని ఇన్పుట్గా తీసుకొని దాన్ని 3 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇక్కడ 3sలు ఉన్నాయి కదని 3 సార్లు దాన్ని ఇన్పుట్గా తీసుకుంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్. ఓకే, నౌ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ కేస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు calculate the volume of a sphere using this formula. In this formula, 4 by 3 is a constant and pi is also a constant, but we are taking r as input in the second case. And in the third case, we are going to calculate the volume of cuboid. Here we have the formula L into B into H. Here we are taking LBH as the input and we are calculating the volume of cuboid using this formula. Children, in this question, they did not give any case labels. In the previous program, they have given C for circle, S for sphere, R for rectangle. But in this program, they did not give any case labels. That's why we are going to use numeric values as the case labels. First case, the first case we are going to calculate the volume of cube, and in the second case we are going to calculate the volume of the sphere, and in the third case we are going to calculate the volume of cuboid by using these formulas. In the each case and in the individual cases only we are taking the inputs. Shall we start our program? Variable description. Before going to write this one, we have to write this variable description. V is a float type data to store the volume. S is a float type data to store the side of a cube. R is a float type data to store the radius of a sphere. L is a float type data to store the length of a cuboid. B is a float type data to store the breadth of a cuboid. H is a float type data to store the height of a cuboid. N is an integer to store the control variable. Now come to the program. Hash include stdio.h. We are including this header file to run the functions printf and scanf. Next one, hash include conio.h. We are including these header files to run the functions clr, scr and getch function. Void main. Every program starts from this main method and the variables are int cv. This is the control variable for the switch statement, that is an integer data type, and float of VSRLBH. When we declared here the variables, the compiler allocates the memory for these variables according to their data types. CLR as here and printf enter 1 for volume of a cube, enter 2 for the volume of a sphere, enter 3 for the volume of a cuboid. We are printing like this. Then we are scanning a number from the end users. That's why I have written here scanf %d ampersand cv. Now come to the program. Switch cv, we are taking an integer as input. We are giving here this input. Now case 1, we are taking the numerics as the case labels. Case 1, as I said, what I said in the case 1, we are going to calculate the volume of cube. What is the formula for volume of cube? Volume of cube is equal to S into S into S. Means we are taking the side of a cube as input. That's why printf enter side of a cube. Next, scanf percentage f ampersand s. We are taking the side as input and we are substituting this s in the formula v is equal to s into s, and we are going to print this value volume. Volume of cube is equal to percentage f v. Next, break. Now come to the second case, case 2. In the case 2, we are going to calculate the volume of sphere. The formula is 4 by 3 pi r into r into r. Now we are taking radius as input. Printf enter radius of a sphere. Scanf percentage f ampersand r. We are taking the radius as input and we are going to substitute this value in the formula. Before going to substitute this value, we are we are initializing pi with 3.14. Now a is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r into r into r. Again write another r. Next one, printf volume of sphere is equal to percentage f v. I am printing the volume of sphere here. Break. Now come to the third case. Case 3. In the case 3, we are going to calculate the volume of cuboid. That's why I am going to take length, breadth and height as input. Enter length, breadth and height of a cuboid. Scanf. Here I am taking three variables as inputs. That's why I have written here percentage f and percentage f. No need to keep the commas in between these type conversions. But in the ampersand L, comma ampersand B, comma ampersand H, we are separating the variables only. No need to separate these type conversions. V is equal to L into B into H. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now I am going to print the volume of the cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to percentage F. Sorry, right here V. Volume is V. Break. If the end users enter more than 3, that is 5, 6, 10 or any number, that is come to the default case, that is an printf invalid option. Now closed braces for the switch statement, get ch and the closed braces for the main method also. Children, try to understand, this is a very important model. Once you once you wrote in the notebook, go to that program and try to understand. This is a very important model in the 10th standard. Subscribe this channel to get the notifications. Thank you, children.